Seat's new Cupra performance brand is heading on track and the RACER electric race car concept points the way. Seat's newly spun-off Cupra performance brand has taken the wraps off the Cupra RACER electric touring car concept. Although visually similar outside to the conventionally powered Seat Leon TCR touring car, the RACER is 100% electric, promising over 400 bhp of continuous power and 670 bhp of peak power for short bursts. The car's electric motor revs to 12,000 rpm and it has a battery capacity of 65 kilowatts. Power is fed to the rear wheels through a single-speed transmission. The RACER is just a concept for now, with no word yet on whether it'll be put into competition against conventionally powered racing cars, or form the basis of a fully electric one-make series, similar to the Seat Leon Eurocup. However, the promoters of the FIA World Touring Car Cup announced plans for a new ETCR series around the same time as the RACER was unveiled, leading to speculation that it could be first of several TCR cars to spawn an electric version. Cupra claims this is the first 100% electric touring car in the world. However, a grid of electric VW Golf touring cars supported the 2016 FIA Formula E race in Hong Kong. Elsewhere, Jaguar has already taken the wraps off a racing version of its I-Pace electric car, a series for which will support the full 2018-19 Formula E season. An electric GT series for race-prepared Tesla Model S cars is also in development, while the FIA World Rally Cross Championship will switch to electric power in 2020. Seat's recently launched Cupra performance brand has its eyes on the future of motorsport with this concept car, simply called RACER. Set to debut at the Geneva Motor Show, its name basically speaks for itself. It's a fully electric racer, with 408 PS, 402 HP, continuous power, and a peak of up to 680 PS, 670 HP. Presented by Seat's head honcho Luca De Meo in a video conference, the new Cupra RACER is described as a true motorsport car and the first 100% electric racing touring car in the world. The zero-emission racer appears to build upon the Leon Cupra TCR, to which it adds massive front and rear bumpers, new hood and grille, wide fenders, and a gigantic rear wing. The whole concept is finished in white, features several carbon fiber parts, and sits on new wheels. And since it's aimed at motorsport, zooming in on the two images released by Seat reveals a roll cage inside, likely joined by a stripped-out interior and a bucket seat on the driver's side, to keep the weight as low as possible. In Geneva, the Cupra RACER will sit alongside other premieres from the Cupra brand, including the new Cupra Ateca, with its 300 PS, 296 HP, AWD, and 7-speed DSG gearbox. The Leon RST, which uses the same powertrain as the compact SUV, will also be present at the event, alongside the 5-door Leon FR that debuts the 1.5-liter TSI engine, with 150 PS, 148 HP. Seat will also premiere their new digital cockpit, soon to be launched on the Cupra Ateca, Leon Cupra RST, Leon FR, and Arona, and will remind visitors that they will be the first automaker to integrate the Shazam music recognition service into its cars. Seat's new sporting sister brand is aiming to prove that EVs can be fun, with a tin top that produces up to 670 bhp. Seat's new Cupra brand will showcase its all-electric 670 bhp RACER racing car at the Geneva Motor Show. The Leon-based rear-wheel drive RACER features a 6.5 kWh battery and makes 402 bhp of continual power, with a peak of 670 bhp available. The car's chassis appears to be based heavily on the existing Cupra Leon TCR touring car that will race in this year's FIA World Touring Car Cup and other championships. Seat boss Luca De Meo described the RACER as a true motorsport car and called it the first fully electric touring car. The only mainstream EV racing championship currently operating is the single-seater Formula E series. Jaguar has previously revealed a racing version of its I-Pace SUV, which will compete in its own one-make series alongside Formula E from 2018-19 onwards. A non-works electric GT series for converted Tesla Model S road cars is also planned. De Meo added, "We thought racing should be efficient and clean, and by introducing a new and revolutionary car like this, we want to send an important message to the racing world. It is possible, it is spectacular, and it is fun. The launch of an electric racing car concept ties in with plans by Seat bosses to use Cupra as a technological figurehead that will bring electrified powertrains and other new technology into the Seat range. Brand bosses have yet to outline when the e-RACER will begin competition or what series it will take part in. The most likely option would be a one-make series, similar to the upcoming I-Pace Trophy.